let's see if we can remove this exhaust. Why? Well, I'm glad you asked. Well, the reason's in here. So, it's not an Akropovich, it's not a Remus, it's not an Arrow. There's not many more to go, is there? And this is, oh no, I just realised I can't remember how to pronounce it. So this will be exciting. Ooh. A Leo Vinci? A Leo Vinci? One of those. That is my new exhaust. There's several exciting aspects to this fitment. A, it's not actually designed for this bike. It's designed for the R1200R or RS, not the 1250R or RS. But from my research, the back end here, this exhaust section and the mount is the same between both models, so it should go on with no trouble. Should. Secondly, this bike is a Euro 5, and I don't actually know, even though I've just bought this, whether I can actually detach the silencer from the rest of the exhaust. I haven't looked. I thought I could, but now, being that this is a Euro 5 machine, I have my doubts. I am concerned. So let's get this off and have a look inside. Oh, I can see a Jubilee clip. Look at that. Oh, hello. Now, I'm pretty sure I cannot reuse this. It'll look rather unsightly anyway, because the new exhaust is a lot slimmer than the existing kit. But that's okay, because I've found a second-hand cap that will fit over this from a R1250GS. I've already got it. That's ready to go on. Okay, slowly, slowly, catchy monkey. So this is about 5.5 kilos. 2.5 kilos. Under half a stone. Or I guess about 5 pounds, 5 or 6 pounds. Shall we just see what it sounds like without the silencer? I think we should. Ready? I can't, I just can't. 1. 2. Oh yeah, bugger. I will not put pliers on it, I will not. Oi, there we are. That is somewhat louder. Sounds good though. That's nice and tight. That's nice and tight. So we are done. Cover on. Bike ready to party. First impressions, difficult because it sounds awesome. That's exactly what this bike should sound like. What's difficult? I think it's too loud. I've voiced my concern about the sound of motorbikes before in the countryside. My feeling about it is it's the inline fours that sound quite antisocial. But this also sounds quite antisocial. So firstly then, I'm really glad I've got rid of the enormous chrome tree trunk that was stuck on the back of my bike and replaced it with something a lot better looking. Is it too loud? Yes, it's too loud. Do I want to keep it like this? Yes, I do. Would I feel guilty if I leave it like this? Yes, I will. Anyway, I'm open to opinions. Your comments can start with the word hypocrite. If you've heard me talk about loud exhaust before and why I think they're actually a bad idea, to give us bikers a bad name. I love your farty goodness. Right, there we go, shortened version. Let's bang that in. I reckon that's a decent halfway house between quiet and a bit too loud. I quite like that. That'll do for now. See you soon.